This is a stock pot by Vevor. It comes in 6 quarts, 8 quarts, and 12 quarts. This one is the 12 quart. You could use it on any type of stove. So you could use it on ceramic stoves. You could use it on electric, gas, and induction stove. So it has the magnetic on the bottom, so it heats up evenly. Really nice on the inside. And it comes with the lid. So let me go ahead and use this.